frischling is approaching. Christopher is doing the right thing by waiting until... Suddenly, a huge boar appears, but there is too high a risk of hitting one of the dogs by shooting straight away. Accordingly, Jens keeps cool and quite correctly holds his fire until the boar has passed his post. Only then does he shoot, as a bullet traversing the boar will fly away from the dog. At Christopher's post, something's happening too. This chance is very difficult, but the experienced Swede makes a rather fantastic wait and keep ready. Now the action is on. Here, two frischlings come running directly towards Franz. Has heard some movement in the leaves and is ready. A frischling arrives and is not alone. After this impressive demonstration of a fin boar, anything can happen wherever and whenever. Jochen is ready to give the Keiler a coup de grace. Better safe aim at the Keiler in case it gets up again. Franz is rewarded. Franz... A frischling is approaching. Now you have to be ready because Wild Boar will change direction and speed in a split second. After having hesitated a moment behind a large beech, the frischling chooses to pass Jens to his left, a very dangerous decision. As nothing will catch the bullet behind it. The trees are not enough. There must be soil behind the animal you're shooting at. Accordingly, Jens must try and keep cool and concentrated in spite of this serious attack of wild boar fever.